Do humans need a religious God to exist? In the Quranic vision, Allah is not a religious God of appeasement. He is the eternal truth inscribed in the human conscience, the zameer. Islam was never meant as a new sect. It was a return to the Fitrah, the primordial nature within every soul. The Quran declares, "Set your face to the deen, the Fitrah of Allah, upon which He evolved mankind." Surah Rum 30:30. This Fitrah is the inner conscience. It silently reproaches when we err, as in Nafs al-Lawwamah, the self that blames. Surah Qiyamah 75:2. And it testifies against us even when we make excuses. 75:14-15. Agitation of mind is not a weakness. It is the engine of human growth. Animals live by instinct, but man is restless, always searching for meaning. This restlessness awakens the conscience, and the conscience bridges us to Allah. Without this, rituals become empty shells. Islam redefined faith, not as obedience to a tribal deity, but surrender to the eternal order within. The Quran reminds, "There is nothing like unto Him." Surah Ash-Shura 42:11. To honor conscience is to honor Allah, for He inspired every soul with right and wrong. فَأَلْهَمَاهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَهَا 91:8. So, do humans need a religious God? Biologically, no. Humans can survive, eat, reproduce, even build civilizations without belief. But spiritually, without a higher principle, conscience, or revelation, life risks falling into chaos. Conscience alone may err. Revelation alone may become ritual. Together they harmonize, like the eye and the light. The Quran emphasizes responsibility. Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. Surah Al-Ra'd 13:11. This is not blind dependence on heaven. It is a call to inner transformation. True Islam is not fear-based worship or blind obedience. It is awakening the self to balance, justice, and peace. Unity lies not in uniformity, but in harmony within diversity. O mankind, we created you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Surah Al-Hujurat 49:13. The conclusion: man does not need a religious God, but he cannot live without conscience. To live Islam is to awaken the inner book, Al-Kitab, to unite conscience with divine order, to rise in dignity. The real sanctuary of Allah is within.
For more blogs, visit www.ahleaqal.com, YouTube, WhatsApp, and TikTok, Ahle Aqal.